So this is I'm John Heeter, the founder at Boid, and this is the social supercomputer. So the name of Boid comes from a computer simulation of flocks of birds. The problem that we're trying to solve is participation in burgeoning blockchain networks. So currently, the accessibility is very difficult for a general user. The protocols are difficult to discover and use. There's unclear incentives. They're disconnected from other protocols, and there generally is no social integration. So how are these burgeoning blockchain protocols going to reach mainstream adoption? Boid is a platform that makes interacting with these protocols simple and social. So we provide kind of like a high-level dashboard that connects you with multiple underlying distributed and decentralized technologies, and it includes a robust social integration. So even if you don't know anything about blockchain or cryptocurrency, you can still log in and interact with these kind of advanced technologies. So how do we do this? The first key is social incentives. So currently over 500,000 people a day volunteer and participate in these volunteer distributed science projects. We discovered that the key factors that motivate them is big ideas, aesthetics, public acknowledgement, and competition. So the Boid platform is designed to kind of tap into these incentive structures. What's interesting about us is that we combine the kind of non-monetary social incentives with the monetary incentives that the blockchain brings with us. Our go-to market is the kind of PC gaming communities, and because they have good hardware, they're competitive, they are, comfortable with new technology, and a lot of people have kind of dabbled with cryptocurrency mining or distributed computing. To capture the market, we are onboarding team leaders basically, and the concept behind a team leader is that it's someone who has a community and that they can communicate with very efficiently, and they can kind of explain the Boid concept to their community. And we have kind of leaderboards and humanitarian causes that adds a competitive and philanthropic layer to Boid. And these things all kind of contribute to the virality of the system. So how is this thing monetized? So today we take a percentage of what people earn, and in the future we're going to have a sponsored marketplace. So other companies and services in the blockchain space can be listed on the Boid marketplace. So users, when they earn cryptocurrency running Boid, they can then go and spend it. They don't have to cash out to fiat. Also, we're going to have pro accounts, which basically upgrades your account so it has more functionality, and the Boid Swarm service, which is distributed computing as a service. So Boid compares with other applications in its same market. So MinerGate and NiceHash are kind of easy mining applications, but they lack any kind of a social integration, and they have limited protocol support. Additionally, you have something like BOINC, the Berkeley Open Infrastructure for Network Computing, which is used for distributed computing for volunteer science projects, but has terrible user experience, and it's completely volunteer. So Boid is kind of brings everything together around this concept we call Boid power, which makes the kind of underlying technologies much easier to understand. All of your contributions are accumulated as a point system called Boid power that goes up and down based on how much time you spend running the app and how much computing resources you provide to the network. Additionally, the Boid token is going to unlock advanced access to more functionality on the system, including things like a Boid master node, which is going to run infrastructure that supports the network. And that's on the roadmap next year. So you'll be able to stake your Boid tokens to help to decentralize the network and run infrastructure. So we're moving pretty fast. We have a alpha that's live right now at app.boid.com. You should definitely go check it out. The airdrop is actually happening today. If you're a Genesis account holder, you'll start seeing Boid show up over the next few days. The charity pool is launching next week, where you'll be able to contribute a certain percentage of your earnings to the featured charity that we've partnered with. And the white paper is coming out later this month. So please join us on the leaderboard, and I hope to see you in the top 20. Thanks for your time.